What it do, people? Late night in the lab, rainstorming. Man, sitting in here with the music on, the amps, the heat coming out the box from the woofers, and plus the 1,000 degrees that it be in Houston every day. I want to try to have the hardest blowing AC in Texas in our old school. Now check this out. I sealed off everything in there, and I got tape on it. Now, everybody know in the old school, your two middle vents, they gonna blow hard. Now that's nice. That's cool air coming out of there, nice. Not where it ain't cool right now, but the way it's blowing, all right? Then you come down here to the end, and by that air having to travel so far, hold up y'all, let me get my light right. He would do this right now, y'all, hold up, bear with me. Now, by this vent being the furthest, y'all know a little air come out of there, but not much. So you barely see the napkin moving. Now, when I move the napkin, I feel it. You can see the little fur blowing. I feel it. See, it's blowing, but it's just not as hard as this one, because this is where the box meet, and it comes hard out of here, and it got to travel all the way down here to make it to these vents so it get weak. So what I'm gonna do is this right here. Wait a minute, hold up. Make sure my vent pointing right. Okay, let me see. Because I should have got a little more action on that napkin. Okay, now let me see. Yeah, I ain't had the vents pointing right. See the difference? That's regular. Yeah. Now I feel it all the way over here. See if the napkin catch the air. It's going crazy. It's a lot of air coming out of there. Now watch when I turn this off. Now I'm gonna turn the whole AC off. See what I'm saying? Now watch when I hook this up and turn on the AC. Oh yeah. Yeah. Gonna be nice and frosty in here. I'll be able to ride with my windows down and still stay cool. Yep. Here we got some air coming out of there, baby. Oh yeah. Yes, yes. I feel that all the way. Just, I'm talking about, like, it'll stop me from sweating. I'm gonna trim some of the shag back, but yeah, that's gonna be real nice. And I got it. Oh yeah. That feel good already because it's nighttime. And I can just have that on right there. And my face done dried up. So I ain't perfected it all the way, but it's already working. So all I gotta do now is seal it up. It ain't all the way sealed up and it's blowing like this. So yeah. I'm gonna try to have the old school with the hardest blowing AC in Texas. Man, I had to come back because I just noticed it's blowing the fur way back here. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. Can you imagine? That's where your head be at right there. So that means you gonna get straight out. Man, I ain't noticed how dirty that is. There's some sitting around this shop. I'm gonna have to clean that, y'all. But yeah, back to this here. We turn it off, first stop moving. And I got the door open. And we got very little wind blowing right now. That's another reason. It's like 2 in the morning and still 80-some degrees out here. Now it's like 3 in the morning. But anyway, y'all see it. Oh yeah, that's killer. And I still gotta do the other side. Yeah, I'm putting one more on that side over there. So that way it's just gonna create hopefully a cyclone in here of air. Oh yeah, that's beautiful, y'all. That's beautiful. All right, like I said, hardest blowing AC in Texas in the old school. I'm trying to do it. This is already just with one side done. I got to do the other side, so we're going to see how this work out, y'all. I'll let y'all later.